I want to know if y'all are tracking this ridiculousness that's going on in Congress, talking about cryptocurrency. Maybe y'all haven't been paying attention, but back in June, uh, you know, they formed a committee in Congress to talk about cryptocurrency and how they were going to come up with legislation, to make some rules regarding how the crypto space should be operating. And I think everybody that's subscribes to this channel, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. I'm going to just tell it like it is. I'm not going to pull any punches. I'm just going to tell it like it is. These folks don't know anything about cryptocurrency, but they sit up here talking about making rules. And how the hell you going to make rules about a game if you don't know the game? They need to come up on game before they start talking about, come on now, who is it? Congress gets a crash course in cryptocurrency. Here's Maxine Waters sitting up there. I want to know what is wrong with this. Miss Waters, what's wrong? Why are you so upset? Miss Waters. Miss Waters. Honorable Miss Waters, why are you so upset about cryptocurrency? Why is it that you have it in for this particular innovation? Y'all know Miss Waters is heading up this committee, okay? Listen to the chief executive. Look, y'all know that they had 6 chief executives, okay? Okay, come to Congress to testify in front of Ms. Waters and crew talking about cryptocurrency and all the problems it has. Talking about it's a pathway for folks to actually do criminal activity. Okay, and they always got it in for metaverse boy, Facebook boy over there. Yeah, that's right. They had to talk about they talked to the Paxos chief. You know what I'm talking about? Paxos coin. It's a stable coin that's supposed to be underneath the Novi wallet. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go on and subscribe right now. Okay, the Novi wallet is the wallet that's supposed to be underneath Facebook, or I guess now Meta. And the Paxos stablecoin is supposed to be the coin that's going to be the coin underneath the Novi wallet. So I don't know. Does that mean Paxos will be the coin that's underneath the metaverse that Mr. Zuckerberg is trying to produce? Probably. Maxine, why don't you just go get you some Paxos coin? Okay? Why don't you stop? Y'all need to stop all this wasted time. The hearing was called by Representative Maxine Waters, a California Democrat who leads the committee, as part of an effort to understand the fast-growing digital assets and how to regulate them. Let me get this straight. Ms. Waters called a meeting in an effort to understand the assets so that they could figure out how to regulate. Sounds like an oxymoron to me. It followed familiar partisan patterns which Democrats expressing concern about crypto risk as Republicans emphasized innovation and said that the strict regulation would drive the industry away from the United States. At least there's some real thought right there. When is the Congress of the United States going to realize that this is a global economy? Look, if you sit up here and you put all these stupid regulations on the companies that are driving innovation in the crypto sphere, they're just going to go overseas. America loses. We lose out on the opportunity. I mean, right now, I think the Chinese are sitting up here wishing they had not outlawed crypto. All those Chinese businesses that were sitting up there mining crypto. Why the hell would you take that opportunity away from them? Now look at this. Ms. Waters expressed concern about how quickly crypto is being adopted. What the hell's wrong with that? What's wrong with crypto being adopted? Okay, if people want to collect down aluminum cans, shit, y'all gonna regulate that? If people want to collect Beanie Babies, y'all gonna regulate that? If they go over here and they start collecting damn marbles, okay, they didn't collect too many marbles, so we need to find, we need to establish a committee, okay, and we need to figure out how we gonna regulate this shit. Okay, we need to figure out, okay, Ms. Waters, you had the last bogus committee. Why don't you chair the marble collection committee? Okay. Republican counterpart on the committee, Representative Patrick T. McHenry of North Carolina, said that his colleagues may not be steeped in the technology as they need to be to write new rules. That is the most intelligent thing in this article. Somebody admitting that they don't know enough to start writing rules. I appreciate that kind of honesty. I ask my friends on the Hill, do you know enough about this? Maybe they need to take the members of Congress, and instead of having these open public committee meetings, or should I say embarrassment sessions, they need to take these folks to a classroom and sit them down. I don't know if Congress has maybe they got like a schoolhouse up there. I know we paid enough money in taxes for public transportation. Get the yellow bus out. Somebody get the yellow bus. Maxine, can you get everybody up there in the committee to go up there to the bus station? Okay, we're gonna send a little yellow school bus over there. You can get Miss Ocasio. You can get Mr. What's the name over here? Get Patrick T. McHenry. Y'all all get on the bus. Get on the little yellow bus, and y'all go over there and get in the classroom and do this. And don't do it on the floor of the Congress, okay? Y'all go over there and have a little class or something, okay? Can y'all do that? Now listen to this. Who said this? Here, Jeremy Allaire, the Chief Executive Payments Circle, okay? What do you say to folks that say this doesn't seem like a new financial system? Okay? And go, I really do believe we are building a new global economic infrastructure. He's right. Why do you have to convince somebody that on the floor of the Congress? Somebody tell me, where is the yellow school bus in Washington, D.C.? I need everybody on this committee and anybody else talking about regulating anything with regards to cryptocurrency to get on the cryptocurrency yellow school bus. We're going to send y'all over there to crypto elementary school. Okay? And, y'all going to school before y'all start talking about writing rules. Okay? Now listen to this. Eroding the power of tech giants, an issue with bipartisan, that means Democrat and Republican, support in Congress, is an argument commonly advanced by crypto enthusiasts to promote Web 3.0, industry term for the vision of the next generation of internet run on blockchain. Okay, here we go. Ms. Waters probed the panel about the role of big tech and crypto. See, this is what I'm talking about. She told Charles Cascarilla, head of Paxos, that she was concerned. Okay, Ms. Waters, she's concerned. Man, why do you hate this innovation so much? She's concerned about the pilot program his company was involved with. I told y'all about this Novi wallet, okay? Oh, gosh. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Hey, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Miss Waters, go get you some Paxos. I'm out.